Today, I will show you how to claim Epic Games Nitro on your phone. And, I will also give my Nitro away, so watch the video till the end. First, open Epic Games Store on your phone and type in Nitro in the search bar. Now you'll be asked to enter your birth date. Make sure to enter 15 to 18 plus years old, years only. Let's say if you are too young, you wouldn't get the Nitro. I don't know the age limit for Epic Games, so it's best to stay safe. Now click Get button. Here they will ask you to enter your account. I will enter Google account. Now just enter your OTP that you will receive in your email of the account you entered. I hope it's been easy so far. Now you can accept their terms and conditions. You can also read the whole thing if you want. Now you need to wait for a few minutes to receive an email from Epic Games. Here we go, just open the email, scroll down and click Redeem. Since I already had Nitro, I am not eligible for this. I will copy and paste the link of this Nitro in my Discord server. You can join my Discord server now and claim the Nitro. The invite link will be in the description. See the channel carefully, the Nitro link is in Primo channel. However, you need to have a payment method to claim it. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.